2021 GMC Terrain. With less than 33,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, HID headlights, power driver seat. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.